Hello, welcome to Nature's Masterpiece YouTube channel. In this video we're gonna make a healthy spinach smoothie. Ingredients we need are a bowl of spinach, a kiwi, a banana, an apple, a pinch of cardamom, 5 tablespoons of ice cream. Here I have pistachio ice cream, coconut water, and a bit of hazelnut powder and also a bit of almond powder. Now what we need to do is to put all ingredients in a blender. Okay, it tastes amazing. Give it a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.